So it's Tuesday, January 7th, and I'm laying in bed and I was listening to the wind and it's starting to get crazy. And we got a warning issued yesterday that it was going to be like really dangerous winds. And I've lived here my whole life, but like these winds are fucking crazy. I'm laying in bed and it's like they're maddening. So we have to work out in them tonight, so hopefully they'll get better. But right now, I mean, it's like the sun's just starting to come up, so I'm just sitting here watching it. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous today. I've never experienced winds like this, at least in Los Angeles County. So I'm ready for work. I've been listening to the rain all morning, to the wind all morning. I hope you can hear me. We're coming out to the front right now. Let's see how dirty it is. Oh, I hear there's trash everywhere. Because, today is trash day in my neighborhood. Most of the trash cans are up, but there's trash. I mean, not too bad. Those knocked over. Those are knocked over. It's definitely going to be an exciting day, no doubt. Considering the fact that we also film tonight and it gets dark around 5. It starts to get cold around 4:30. I'm supposed to have 50-mile-an-hour winds. We don't usually get that kind of weather. I'm sorry, 50? Maybe 35 or 40. We don't usually get weather like this here. Yikes. Look at this street got hit hard. Oh, no. Yeah. I know, but there's a fire nearby. Look, all we've been hearing for the last 20 minutes is sirens.
Where is it?
It's over here in Altadena somewhere. There's a fire right there. Literally a mile from us. There's a fire about a mile away. You can see it through the trees right here. Anyways, there's a fire. I got yelled at. I had to go. We have to wrap. We have to get going because there's a really bad fire about a mile away from Set. I'm actually not that far from Set, so it's really close to my house. So I gotta rush home. I gotta let the boys know. But the winds are getting really, really bad. Like really bad. Yeah, there's the fire. Oh. I'm on my street. You can literally see the fire right there. It's literally right up the street from my house, and it's so windy. And look, this is on my street. This is literally on my street. The fire is from my house. It is so smoky right now. It's so windy. Oh my God. It's fucking insane. I just moved my car so I wouldn't be parked under a tree.
But I'm gonna do the smart thing and get the fuck inside the house and stay safe. But I wanted to see, right now, it's mostly just smoke. You can see a little bit about there. I might have to evacuate maybe just because of the smoke. It's so bad right now.
So as it stands, I'm completely packed. I have my bag with everything in it. I have my carry-on, light carry-on that has 2 changes of clothes, and my camera, because that's too expensive and I want that. But I also have my mother's ashes, and I have my passport. So for any reason, if we have to leave, all I have to do is grab those things, put my shoes on, I'm out the door. So our power line looks like it's about to go, so we're sort of just waiting. The fire, we haven't got a notification yet to evacuate. We just got a notification to be ready to evacuate. So, but both my roommate and I walked down the street and looked, and the fire looks like it's gone. I mean, it doesn't look like it's bad. Like before you could really see it, but it looks like they got it under control, which is crazy even with these winds. So, but we still hear sirens. I'm wearing a mask to protect myself because the fire smoke is so bad. If it gets any worse, I will leave. Blake said I could stay with him. So I'm just gonna stay here. I'm torn because I don't know, like, I don't want to go out in the weather and drive because that's unsafe. I don't want to stay here in case it's unsafe. So I'm kind of just like waiting it out to see what the better option is. Anyways, I'll keep you guys posted.
Oh shit, look at that. It's about to fall.
So we just had a big whoosh come. Like a massive whoosh, and it just blew off a bunch of shingles off the roof of the house. So it's been really crazy. We're just talking to the neighbor too. So we're all keeping an eye on that cord on the wires out there. But it's almost 11 o'clock. Looks like the storm's not going to end anytime soon. So we're just going to be downstairs playing video games in the basement, trying to stay safe. So
Kind of like that power blade I was playing.
Look at the moon is orange from all the ash. The moon is orange.
So we were down in the basement playing games, and I came out. The smoke is really bad. I don't think the fire is bad anymore, but the smoke is terrible. But down there, underneath the house, it was really bad. At least in here, I have my fan on, so I'm blowing fresh air. I got my air purifier going on. I've been wearing a mask, so I just down there was really. We were in such a small area, and I was breathing it all in. So, the wind seems like it's died down slightly, which is good. So, luckily we still have power. A lot of people don't, and it seems like the wind has died down for now. I don't know if it's going to stay that way, but it has for now. So I think I'm gonna use this opportunity to get some sleep because I'm tired. I did not sleep well last night because listening to the rain all night. So to the wind. Oh no, we just had a big gust. It's not done yet. Anyways, all right. Yeah. No, I can hear it. There's a big gust right there. All right. Well, apparently we have had weather like this. I don't remember winds being this crazy, but apparently they are. But we'll just have to wait it out. Anyways, it's almost a new day. I am going to relax and try and get some sleep, and hopefully we don't film now. They canceled tomorrow since we're filming in the area. They just want everybody to get safe. But wish us luck.